Crystals for peace. Would you like more peace and harmony in your life? Ready to bring in peace? Well, check out these 6 crystals. Aquamarine brings calm, clarity, and emotional soothing. It quietens the nervous system, softens emotional turbulence, and helps you breathe through stress with grace, restoring a sense of inner peace and flow. Blue calcite gently dissolves anxiety and emotional tension. Its soft, cooling energy calms racing thoughts, supports emotional regulation, and creates a peaceful mental state ideal for rest and reflection. Blue lace agate promotes gentle peace through kind expression. It calms the mind, eases tension in communication, and supports speaking and listening from a place of softness and understanding. Blue tiger eye offers grounded calm and emotional balance. It helps steady emotions during stressful situations, easing worry while maintaining strength and confidence, peace without passivity. Howlite is a powerful stone for quietening the mind and easing restlessness. It helps slow mental chatter, release frustrations, and cultivate patience, making it ideal for deep peace and relaxation. Lamar carries the vibration of serenity, compassion, and oceanic calm. It soothes emotional overwhelm, encourages gentle communication, and reconnects you with peaceful, heart-centered awareness. My name is Vialet B Rayne, and if you'd like to learn more about these crystals, herbs, and essential oils, join us for Crystal Alchemy. You can take the in-person class in South Denver or online anytime, anywhere. I hope you will join me for this fun, educational, and engaging program.